Ladies and gentlemen, interest rate hikes in the US, Brexit, Italy. Investors are getting nervous, but at least economic growth should hold. First, the upswing in the US is already in its 9th year. But upturns are not dying of old age. You need triggers for a recession. But they are not in sight. Monetary policy is still expansionary despite the interest rate hikes. The US Federal Reserve is unlikely to stall the upturn in the future either, because there is no inflation problem. Another argument against a recession is that there are no debt or house price bubbles in the US. Secondly, China is suffering from the trade war, but the Chinese government is doing everything it can to neutralize the dampening impact of the trade war by easing monetary policy. For example, it has lowered the minimum reserve rate for banks. It has also taken pressure off the highly indebted companies to reduce their debt. Thirdly, survey-based leading indicators in the Eurozone have recently stabilized. The dip in growth is likely to end soon. The upswing will continue, fueled by the ECB's loose monetary policy. Italy's irresponsible fiscal policy does indeed pose major risks. But as in the past, the ECB will contain these risks. Investors currently suffer from bad news. Share prices could continue to fall in the short term. But there are no signs of an economic slump in the US, China or the Eurozone. In 6 months at the latest, the market should look better again. Thank you very much for your attention.